and Kelly are dear friends, cycling away in the distance there.
And this is their boat,
Yeah.
an XS14, and we are here to crew it and hopefully to Tunisia.
Yeah.
So she's an XS14, which means like 45 feet or something?
Yep, yeah, 45 foot, 14 metres.
Yeah.
And a bloody good crew on this trip.
Let's hope so.
That.
Oh, now he's having a go.
Is he fighting now?
Yeah, no, he's fine.
Don't get stabbed.
The size of that fish! Sailing! We do 7.5 knots.
We are about to do a night watch, our very first on this trip. Dad and I have got to watch together.
Yep. Full sail up is not true. We've got one reef in the main, but other than that, full another one reef in the main.
Going insanely fast, around 6 knots. Although we've just slowed down.
So sometimes within 7.
Yeah, supposed to stay this sort of wind strength for the night, so should be hopefully pretty easy.
I think we saw 9 knots at one point in time.
Yeah. Pretty incredible. They shift.
And the noise of the water leaving the hulls.
Yeah, quite loud.
It's quite something. Yeah. Us slow boats don't get that.
When it starts making something adjacent to that noise, I'm like, whoa, I'm going fast. Should be pretty nice. The nice watch. There's a gorgeous sky behind us, and
So this is Hazel and I out on our second night watch.
Yeah.
It's about 5:15 in the morning.
Yeah.
So we got the dog watch. Not too cold though, is it? It's quite comfortable. Waiting for a bit of light to come into the night sky. Sunlight is about 7:20, I think, sunrise. But we should get a bit of light in the sky in the next hour, I would have thought.
Well, it's just coming to the end of our watch now, and pretty tired. Yeah. The sun always gives you a bit of a nice feeling when it starts coming up. And we can see Menorca now, which is very cool. Yeah, and 30 miles to go.
It's kind of wacky that we've just sailed back to Menorca.
Yeah.
It's only a few weeks ago that we left.
That is wacky.
Yeah.
We know it so well now. We're basically locals. But pretty uneventful watch really.
Yeah, totally uneventful.
So that's good.
It is.
Yeah, looking forward to sleep.
Menorca, the north side. perfect, isn't it?
Blue Lagoon, just for Tony and Hazel.
Yeah.
Hey, just the way.
Oh, Marlin steaks on the barbie. That looks good, doesn't it?
Very good.
So we're underway again, on our way now to southern Sardinia is the goal. And I just thought I'd show you that because this is catamaran sailing, you know, which we couldn't do on our boats, is just leave stuff on the countertops. It's another world, and you know, we can leave cups of coffee on the table here, and it's just don't roll. So I'm out with Hayes. She's here on the helm.
Yeah, well, autopilot's on the helm, really.
And another big difference, I think, is that we're motor sailing right now, but it's largely, and this is not criticism at all, but much more sailing by numbers, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I know the plotter gives you that rolling shutter effect if I film it, but at the moment we've got a apparent wind of 33-34 degrees to the starboard side, which would be just about enough to get the genoa out. Or sometimes it comes around more to the 30 degrees, and if it gets under 30 then the genoa starts to flog and makes an awful racket and wouldn't do the genoa any good either. So at the moment we haven't got it out. If it stays at this, we'd consider it, but you know, we look at the numbers to choose when to put the genoa out.
Yeah, you like more.
Absolutely, yeah. Apparent wind strength of 9.7 knots. Again, so we've got all this data. On our boats, we'd be facing into this wind. I could do it now, feeling it, and we make our sail choices on that. It's a very different beast, isn't it? Yeah. But it's a glorious day out in the Med. Not much to see. Last bits of Menorca in the distance. Some very nice weather clouds. And obviously we've got the dual helm stations. It's Hayes over there on the starboard side. Here's the port side, autopilot's on. And the same data here on the plotter. Not bad. The winches are all electric, 2-speed electric winches. And we've got jib sheets, we've got main sheet, 3 reefing lines, main halyard. This is topping lift. That one we have never used as yet. And this is the furling line for the jib.
Okay, we're gonna put the genoa out.
Yeah. Cooking a bit easier in the catamaran?
Not holding everything at once, trying to cut things.
Look at these chunks of marlin. Beautiful.
Marlin stew, yeah.
Marlin stew, eh?
Beautiful. We're a real treat. We had marlin wraps for lunch. And yesterday, Tony marinated some marlin. We had barbecued marlin, Asian style, Asian fusion, eh?
Indeed, indeed.
Oh, there's a word. Yeah, so we'll see how the stew goes, and then we've got, I think, 6 steaks left.
6 steaks left.
So, and we'll free flow them into the freezer.
Yeah. So we're on our night watch. We're on the crossing from Menorca to Sardinia, and Hazel and I got the 12:30 to 4 o'clock in the morning shift. Watch. Progress is good, did you say?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. We've got about 94.5 miles to go to southern Sardinia. ETA of 5 o'clock, 5:15 in the afternoon, tomorrow afternoon, or this afternoon actually.
Yeah.
What do you make of wind and seas, Hazel?
So it's very flat, wind, a little light. Maybe here we're going to sailing.
Yeah. 8.7 knots apparent right this second.
But sea's very flat.
Yeah. So we're going well, aren't we? We're going quite fast. We're probably making 6 knots average. And all very good. Beautiful, beautiful. Night sky. Biggish moon illuminating the place. So we're on our second watch of the night. We've got the early morning one now, 7:30 through to 11. Sun's up, as you can tell, and we're going along nicely. Got 50 something miles to go up through, 55 I believe. 54 miles to go. Making great speed. Motor sailing, 6.5 knots. All very smooth. 8:20 in the morning, we're sailing. Lovely breeze. The afternoon breeze, we're flying in, doing 8 knots. About an hour, a bit under an hour to our destination. What's on the menu, Hazel?
Ceviche.
Ceviche, Marlin ceviche. Wow. So what goes in there? We've got the Marlin so far.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, technically it's supposed to be more of a white fish, but...
Yeah, it's fairly white.
What else have we got in there? Nothing yet, but there's going to be onions, there's going to be salt and pepper, lime juice, obviously, some chili, something.
Parsley.
Parsley, and maybe some cucumber or tomato.
Ooh, nice. That'd be lovely. And then you have to soak it for a couple of hours or so?
An hour.
An hour. Right, lovely. And it's a bit different cooking on the catamaran when you're at sea.
Yeah. It's not, and nothing rolls all over the place.
You don't have to hold everything with all three hands.
Yeah.
Just stood there calmly
a little bit
chopping.
more relaxed.
Yeah.
Done a
Interesting.
bit of chopping before, and you have to be quite careful that you don't chop your fingers off.
Yeah.
I mean, it's generally the case, but
Harder in the boats. Yeah, rolling all over the shop. Full of smugglers' caves. Well, what a great experience. And first of all, a heartfelt thanks to Tony and Kelly for inviting us along on that trip. It was a brilliant experience. And yeah, quite a contrast to sailing our own small monohulls. As we said in the video, you know, you put things around on tables, worktops, and they don't fall off. The boat flies along. We saw well over 9 knots at the top sailing speed. So it's great for getting places quickly, and quite a difference from our own crossing. You've just seen us there across from Menorca to Sardinia, and quite a difference from our own crossing. In the Catamaran we did it with 1 overnight in our monohulls, small monohulls. It took us 2 nights, and obviously we got caught by a bit of weather. This latest trip was smooth sailing all the way, and very enjoyable. And now, I hope this is interesting. I hope the contrast between our normal boats and this Catamaran is interesting to you. As I say, for us, a wonderful experience. Anyhow, that's it for this week. Thank you for watching, and we'll be back. Talk to you soon. Bye.